What's up guys, welcome back. We got a lot of work to do on the car. Let me give you guys a quick rundown. A couple things that you guys saw in the last video. I got a cage done. The cage was like super rusty for the longest time after I got it done because I didn't paint it. And as you can see, it looks super nice and clean now. I went through with Scotch-Brite pads and I cleaned the entire cage. I got all the rust off of it. It looks amazing. I still need to paint it. I still need to paint the interior. But the main problem is that the weather just like totally tanked on us. California weather has always been kind of weird. It like teased us with springtime. It started getting warmer. It was like mid 70s, sunshine, and then all of a sudden it's super cold. It's in the 50s and 60s. It's been raining nonstop. Today's the first time I've seen the sun in like 4 days. So anyway, I decided to scrap the idea of painting the cage and the interior right now. I still need to, do some sound deadening removal with dry ice and stuff like that. So I decided, you know what? I'm gonna take my time and do that. For now, let's just get this thing drivable. Okay, so as you can see, I don't have a valve cover. Well, I do, it's right here. But I ended up getting this thing sandblasted and kind of get it a little more prepped for paint. But for the same reasons that I'm not gonna be able to paint the inside, I'm not gonna be able to paint the valve cover right now. It's just too cold, it's not worth it. So I'm gonna slap it back on like this. Hopefully the weather will kind of warm up and whatnot and we can get to all the painting that we need to do. There is a lot of really fine media from sandblasting that's still stuck in here. I did get a lot of it out, but I am gonna hit it with brake cleaner and kind of get it really nice before I put it back. All right, sorry guys, camera died. but I got a little bit more done. So got the harness all tucked up. Yeah, I pretty much just dropped the bolts for the high mount. It only has like one bolt right here and a bolt right here. That's all it really needs to hold up, plus the piping. But so I dropped those bolts and just kind of dropped it down. I was able to tuck the harness in and just kind of weave it around, and it's all nice and tight in there. And just got to get the cold pipe on. I love this tool. I don't know if I've told you guys that. All done. Awesome. So tight. The other benefit of doing a high mount like this is that it cuts your turbo lag down a lot, or it's supposed to. So I'm excited to feel the difference, hopefully. All right, guys, well, I kind of got ahead of myself and pretty much buttoned the rest of this up. So let me fill this thing. I think I'm ready to start it up. All right. Probably got to give it some gas. This thing idle for a little bit, get up to 10, burp it, and I guess we'll see. Got a little smoke coming out, which I feel like is the turbo seals. Oh yeah, she's smoky. Oh, what is you doing? Oh man, that's way worse than I thought, guys. Oh, she is just puffing. Oh God. Let's go ahead and put the driver's seat in. I need to go try to drive this thing and see if how bad this turbo is. All right, guys, closed it up, got up to temp. Turn the fans on, cooled down, no more bubbles. I think she's gonna be good. All right, let's go for a rip. Definitely something loose. Oh, I jinxed myself, guys. The one coupler that I thought wouldn't blow, did blow. Like, right as soon as I started driving. But luckily, it blew right by Derek's house. So since Winter Jam, I haven't really talked to you guys a whole lot about the rest of the team, but Derek got a 1J because the RB blew up like first 8 laps. Yeah, there's one blown up RB, there's the other blown up RB. And here's a solid 1J. So I may have just not had the T-clamp far enough down and it wasn't catching that, like the lip around the actual inlet, so it might be good. All right. Go spoon. right, guys, made it back home and car did fine. Coupler stayed on and everything. This thing is pulling hard. What's up, bud? Don's home from work. He's about to start working on his E36. We'll probably go help him a little bit. So anyway, let's pull this thing in.
What is this? What is that? What is that?
It's a headlight, dude. Come on.
All right, so clearly this isn't gonna work. I don't know if you explained this, but.
So basically the headlights, the motors have to come out and the bracket for the motor has to get cut off. Yeah. So we're about to chop this bad boy and then bolt her up. But first, need some eye protection.
Get this man some PPE. I was really hoping like this was part of the eye protection. You were just gonna whoosh. I don't have eye protection.
You have eye protection.
I gotta get the sick angles built in.
It's built into your face.
Because I have glasses.
See, I look like a nerd wearing this. You just look like you, like in a good way.
I think he's trying to say I'm a nerd.
No. No. All right, boys. Let's send a Rooney.
Oh, God damn it! Dude, my hair almost caught on fire.
I just look up and it's just... Alright, let's see if that was enough.
Told you, dog. I told him off camera for the record.
Yeah, I guess I said just this piece in this corner.
Still not enough.
That's good.
Except the headlight looks like it's pointed way higher than it needs to be.
Oh, that's a problem. What's the problem? What did I do?
See, now you can't run headlights.
This side just is super off from having to kind of mess with the radiator support to put the high mount in, and the side's the side that's already been hit, so it already didn't bolt up very well. And then I forgot, but on this side, the only thing that was bolting up my headlight was the motor, which bolts in down here. These holes right here, they snapped off in there a while ago, and I forgot. No headlights, which means we're gonna pause from this. I'm probably actually gonna just be done for the day. I got a lot done, a lot that I needed to get done. Car runs, that's the most important thing. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don, thanks for helping me film.
Welcome, Doug.
He's gonna be in pretty much the vlogs moving forward from now on.
Get used to it.
Kyle's still here too, except he's just like super addicted to Call of Duty right now. We'll see you guys later. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button. We're back. Vlogs gonna be coming out weekly, so stay tuned. Peace.